In this tutorial, we will see count, CountA, CountIf. What is count? Count is just how many are there you are counting. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers and A, B, C, D till E. In count, CountA and CountIf as common. So let's see what only the count does. Is equals to COUNT is the formula count, and then close the brace. Why 5? When I have in total 10, it is showing me only 5. The reason is count only considers numbers. Count only consider numbers and not alphabets. So I am wrapping. Wrapping is nothing but bringing into one cluster, that is one single cell. Now let's see about the another one. Count A is equals to count A is a formula. Applying the formula here is equals to count A, then close the bracket. Now we have seen the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A to E, which is 10. So count A considers not only numbers but also alphabet. So considers both numbers and alphabets also. What is CountIf? What does CountIf does? Is equals to CountIf, then select the range. Hi friends, I feel honored for watching my videos and encouraging me to do more and more videos. For viewers who haven't subscribed the channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos, as more and more videos are uploaded on daily basis. Now give the criteria. We have already selected the range. So now give the criteria. Here I am giving number 3. Then closing the brace. We see 3 is only one time in the entire data. Now what happens if I am adding one more 3 here? See, as I am keeping the data repetitive, it is giving me how many times the data is getting repeated. So likewise, assume if I'm going to change the data from 3 to say like 5. So I have only the number 5 getting repeated once. So likewise, if I'm until now I have given only the number. So now what happens if I'm giving the alphabet? Here A is replaced A, B, C, D, E. So A is replaced. So it's not considering the alphabets. So CountIf also is nothing but more or less similar to count, which only considers numbers and not the which only considers the numbers and not alphabets. Hope You got to understand what the difference between CountA, CountIf. Thank you friends for watching the video.